The sirens are going off, guys. There's one right down the street from here. I don't know anything about them. I just got this video for some people I know that want to see it, so. I'm at my friend's house right now, and the tornado siren, one of them is right down the street. There are 6 tornado sirens in my town. I'll turn this way. I'm not going to stay out here very long. You can hear some other ones though way in the background. I can hear at least 4. And there they go. Here, you can hear the rest. Okay guys, sorry you could only hear the one. That's because it's literally right down the block. So, gotta get this video for some people that wanted to see it. So, thanks for watching.